Hi there. In this lesson, we are still talking about numbers with powers and the rules that govern how a number uses its powers in math. We have a law called the bracket law. It states that if we have a number a raised to the power b, all in bracket, and raised to power c, the powers b and c will multiply each other and a will now have the power bc. It means that if A was a magician, then his powers just got bigger. So, if you have 5 raised to power 2, all in bracket raised to power 2, then the result is 5 raised to power 4. What if we see a number with a fraction as its index? How will you go about finding the actual value of the number? Interesting. We are to find the root of the base to the degree of the denominator and raise the result to the power of the numerator. If the fraction on the index has 1 as the numerator, then the root of the base to the degree of the denominator of the fractional index will give the answer. For example, if I want to use a code in giving Ado's age, and I say Ado is 900 raised to the power of 1 over 2 years, then Ado's real age is the square root of 900, which is 30. If Munachi's age is 729 raised to the power of 1 over 3, then Munachi's age is the cube root of 729, which is 9. What if the fractional index has another number other than 1 as the numerator? How do we go about it? All you do is find the root of the base to the degree of the denominator and then raise the value to the power of the numerator. So, if 27 raised to the power of 2 over 3 people attended a class, how many people attended the class? First, you find the cube root of 27, which is 3. Then, you raise the 3 to the power of 2. 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9, so 9 people attended the class. Remember that it is necessary you know how to manipulate the indices of numbers because it will help you in simplifying calculations, especially in fields like algebra. So, in summary, we have seen that when we have indices involving brackets, the indices multiply each other. When a bracket is raised to a power, then the index of the bracket multiplies the indices of the numbers inside the bracket. But if we have a fractional index, we find the root of the base to the degree of the denominator and then raise the result to the degree of the numerator. We will solve more questions in future lessons, so stay with me.